This channel has done almost 20 million views in about a year. One single video did over 1 million on its own, and you might actually recognize it. It's one of the channels I broke down in my video, the only faceless niches to start right now. If you haven't watched that one yet, save it for right after this. Every video on the channel is the same simple thing. It takes a piece of American history, the presidents, the wars, the Cold War, and turns it into a fully animated story, explained in about 20 minutes. So I tried something. I took their style, the animation, the look, the whole format, and I used it to build a video of my own. Check this out.
And instead of letting the investigation run its course, the White House tries to bury it. Hush money, false statements, pressure on the FBI to stand down. For 2 years, it slowly unravels. Reporters dig. A Senate committee puts the hearings on live television. Then comes the discovery that ends everything. Nixon had secretly tape-recorded his own conversations. The tapes prove he knew. He had helped cover it up.
And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, start to finish. Let's get into it. And quick heads up before we build. The tool I'm using for all of this is called Anijam, one of the fastest growing AI animation tools right now, made by the team at Design AI. They were kind enough to sponsor this video, so the link to try it is in the description. Grab it and build along with me. Once you're in Anijam AI, start at the bottom and paste in a detailed prompt. In this case, the prompt explains that we want to produce a 1-minute documentary video based on a given script. The script focuses on one of the scandals in American history involving Richard Nixon, one of the presidents. Next, add a couple of production notes. Specify that this will be a voiceover, which means we do not need dialogue. Also indicate that you want the video clips to generate diegetic sounds, meaning background sounds without the characters in the animations talking. After that, attach a reference style from the channel so the system knows which style to use. We are not going to use any random style. Click on it, then click on Upload Image and upload the reference image. This is the reference image taken from the channel. Once that is in place, click on Submit. This page will open next. In the middle is where everything the animation agent is doing will appear. You can use the hand tool to zoom in, zoom out, and move things around so you can clearly see where everything is. On the side, there are several controls you can use. For now, though, we are focused on what the agent is doing on the right-hand side. The agent is reading through the prompt and will provide options for which mode to use for this story. You can see that it has provided 3 storyboard plans: AI Director mode, Workflow mode, and Oscar mode. You can choose any of these modes, but for this video, I am using Oscar mode because it is more intuitive. For this, I will use the Sedan's video model. Then I will click on Confirm. After that, it asks who the video is for and what the length should be. Here, it shows that based on the script, the narration is roughly about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, so we can leave that as is. For the audience, we will choose all ages. This video is for YouTube. If it were for something else, like a short film, ads or shorts, you could choose that instead. I will use YouTube, set it to 16:9 and click on Confirm. At this point, it gives you a drop-down list. As it goes through the process, it shows all the steps it will take to generate the project. Essentially, you are just clicking through while it handles the full job for you. Now it asks how I want to proceed, co-design or AI decides. I will choose AI decides and let it handle the work. Next, it begins creating an outline, which you can see here. This is what it will use to build the story and generate the images for the script. We will wait for that to complete and then move to the next step. Now the story outline is complete. It has organized the story script in a way that we will be able to use. It is going to be animated, and as you can see, it has been broken down into different sessions. We will wait for it to finish. It is still working on the side and I have not touched anything yet. At this point, the script outline, and the short plan are all complete. As you can see, it is now asking for concept design. click on it and let it go through that phase so we can see how it looks. It has now broken down everything it needs to generate, including the character, the location, and the props. What I want to do first is generate a character so we can lock the style in properly before generating the rest of the assets. It has now created the first image, so we can confirm the style. Since this documentary is based on real human beings, we need to be sure it looks as close as possible to the character in question. Let us search for Frank Wheels because we want to make sure the character looks as close as possible to the real person. As you can see, he's a black man and was a security guard in 1972. This looks very close. One thing I wanted to check carefully was the hands and the legs, because sometimes these characters tend to shift, and we want to make sure everything looks right. I will go ahead and click continue so it can generate every other image we need since we are satisfied with the style. To make sure the styles were correct, I regenerated some of the images, including the character, because they need to match the skeletal or skinny stickman type of style used by the reference channel. Otherwise, it would not feel the same. This is the version for Richard Nixon. It looks exactly like the reference, which is what we want. Next, we can generate the other props as well as the video. All the images have now finished generating. As you can see, they are lined up here and we are moving into the next stage, which is generating the number of segments and videos using all the props and characters that were created. As you can see, everything looks in order with the style, so we will wait a little longer. I have now generated all the videos, but there is something important I want to show at this point. If I click into this scene, you can see it looks exactly how we wanted. The characters are consistent and everything looks really good. But if I go into this first scene and play it, you will notice that the character does not look like what is supposed to be in this video. There are two reasons for that. First, we did not initially define who the burglar would be. Second, the system is struggling to picture the right character. So when directing your characters, make sure to ask the agent to generate every single character so the See Thus model has enough reference. As you can see, I have gone back and started generating that character, along with some scenarios I will use to replace the scenes that did not come out well. Once that is done, we will place everything in the timeline, add the voiceover, and look at the final video. Everything looks correct now. Next, we are going to generate the background music, then review everything in the timeline, make any adjustments, and add the voiceover. The background music has now been generated. Now let us add everything to the timeline so we can view it here and make any necessary adjustments. I will change this to 16:9, reduce this, and wait for everything to load in. This is the timeline. It lets you play through the project and move everything around. You can also download it if you want to make edits yourself in an editing tool. Now I will go ahead and upload the voiceover I created earlier. Let me upload the voiceover. What you will do next is play through the project, then use the slider to adjust it so the voiceover matches everything you have here. Once you are satisfied with how it turned out, click on Advanced Export, choose the resolution, and decide whether to include audio, remove watermark, and so on. Then click on Start Export, and everything will be exported to your computer. Now let us play it and see how the final result turned out.
Of every scandal in American history, none has ever brought down a president like this one. June 1972. 5 men are caught breaking into the Democratic National Committee headquarters at the Watergate complex in Washington. At first, it looks like a simple burglary. It isn't. The break-in traces straight back to people inside Richard Nixon's own re-election campaign. And instead of letting the investigation run its course, the White House tries to bury it. Hush money, false statements, pressure on the FBI to stand down. For 2 years, it slowly unravels. Reporters dig. A Senate committee puts the hearings on live television. Then comes the discovery that ends everything. Nixon had secretly tape recorded his own conversations. The tapes prove he knew. He had helped cover it up. On August 8th, 1974, facing certain impeachment, Richard Nixon became the only president in American history to resign. One break-in, one cover-up, one presidency gone.
And that's the whole thing. You just watched me take a video from a channel doing almost 20 million views and build my own version with one AI tool. No drawing, no animation skills, no team. If this helped you, give it a like so more builders find it. And if you want the exact prompts and the workflow I used to build this, comment the word Anijam down below and I'll send it over. Now, remember Agent Flappy, the channel we just built our version from? That's just one of the channels I broke down in my video on the only faceless niches to start right now. If you want to find a niche like this one for yourself, that is the video to watch next. It's right here. Go check it out and I'll see you there.